Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to do a flip through of some journals I'm going to be putting up on my Etsy site. I've been adding so many new journals to my shelf. My shelf is full, so it is time to get rid of some journals. Sadly, I love them all, but to, clear out the old to make room for the new, as they say. All right, so let's start with the first one. I have 4 spring journals that I'm going to show you, and they'll probably be on one listing, so I'll call each one by a specific name. So this one is going to be we're going to call this the alphabet one, even though there's not really alphabet in there, but there's alphabet on the front. It has a snap closure, and it has a bit of room to grow. So I'm going to just do a quick flip through on these because each one was made in videos. So if you really want to see further details and things that were made, you can definitely check it out. There is a lot of bright, fun spring colors in here. My spring dye papers, lots of places to throw some journaling in, fun colors, daisies, and fun truck. Got a tall tag there with a nice fun pocket, some music. This is a fabric clip that actually comes off. There is a paper clip. It does have journaling spot on the back. It is an over the page, so there's journaling on the back of that. Fun fabric cards that have been sewn, glued down, gnomes in there. This pocket is textured, very fun to touch. Pretty vintage books with a side tuck and a journal card. This is cut from a Victorian album photo with a pretty edge and a journal card of floral in there. Lots of flowers, lots of springtime. This is a short page, and it's got a journal card in there, tall tag to go in there. Center with the tulips, very pretty. Again, with the other side of the tall tag on there, half page. That is pretty flowers. This is a unique belly band. It is fabric on there, as you can see the belly band, but there's also a hidden tuck spot behind this tuck here. I didn't have a card in there, so you can put whatever secrets you want in there, and the journal card goes in there. This is also thicker. That could be used as a writing board if you needed to use it. Okay, and this was not glued down, but it can definitely be glued down to add for another little pocket, or just kept to have a pretty set of flowers. Be helpful if you actually turn the page with the pocket. Journal card in here with a side tuck, and another one of those textured journal cards in a kind of library card pocket. More pretty flowers. Light print on there, so you can journal on there for sure. Got the music. More journaling spots. This is a place that you can have a secret journal in there, and journal on the back. Slides in. And more pretty, actually those are mushrooms, purple mushrooms, more flowers, whack and stack tag that's been sewn with some sunflowers. There's a tag that goes in here, and I'm going to just throw a dab of glue on that little corner right now. Before it acts up, there's one of my fabric stamped tags on there, and I think that is it. Purple flowers and a butterfly. So that is the alphabet journal. All right, so the next one is blue butterflies. That one also has a snap closure with plenty of room to spare. Pretty daisies on the inside and flowers. Big journaling card in a pocket. Got some more music and flowers, more of the flip out sheets, and sewn fabric gnomes. I really love that one with the bees And the blues and the yellows and the greens. Yellows, greens, purples. Beautiful. I love how that tied together. Green and yellow paper. This is a vellum pocket that I made. And it was ink stamped. One of my ink transfers that I would do. Oh, I'm like looking down here that it was stuck, and it was just this little butterfly was freaking havoc. I like the purple across from there too. Yellow sunflower, another one of those pages with a big card in there. This also could be used as a writing board because it is thicker and heavier, or just as a journal card. Got some grasshoppers and some birds. More of the floral pages. Another one of those fabric sewn. Beautiful butterflies and birds. Very springy. It's another one of those over the page journal cards with the paper clip. This one's got fabric on it. Again, paper on that side, a fabric flip. So you can take it off, right, and hook it back on. This is an interesting pocket. I haven't done this one in a while. It is like multi-parted. So you pull this top part up and flip this down. So you've got a nice huge place to write. This comes out. It is another spot that you can journal tag in. But you put that together and push that in there. And it is a secretive, hidden, locked away journaling spot. Fun. Pretty flowers. Just a little journal card and a cute gingham folded envelope. Tulips. Oops, I skipped a page. Nice writing spot. More of the dyed paper. This is a two slot corner tuck. Place to put journaling with some flowers and some fun birds. Okay, more of the flowers. Some mushrooms and flowers. Another one of those half pages with the tag in there and a journaling spot on the back. This is a side tuck journaling spot here. A raised embroidered flower. And another one of those fold overs with a journaling spot. Writing page. You've got some music. Here is a second one of those same kind of flip outs. This one closes with a piece of trim. And that is it. So that is Blue Butterfly. All right, next one is Dragonfly. This one is a chunky one. It does have the corner rounds, and it is tied with a piece of blue batik-y kind of fabric. And all right, it has a lot of Dragonfly papers that I used for this one, lots of writing spots for it. This was actually a tea-dyed paper that I just went and stamped and made myself. So it is a unique, one-of-a-kind piece of paper. You can see the tea-dye in the back. Journal card here. Dragonfly paper right there. And there's a vellum dragonfly on that piece of paper to write on. Journaling card. This is a belly band. This is the original belly band that I made. There's actually digitals of these in my Ko-fi account, but that is an original. Journaling card on an index card, just a little side tag. This is a folded paper envelope. There is a little place that you can stick a little something in there, and this has a deep pocket, but there is a little index card journaling flower patch card there. Index card. This is a washi tape side pocket. This is the other half of it with another journaling card. More places to write. Just a tab for fun. Dragonfly print. Another place to write. This is a top pocket, and then there is a smaller pocket right in there. Cute little stamp with the flower. This is a 3-part pocket. It's got a nice little place for a tiny journaling card, and it's got a pocket up top here and a pocket down there. This has a side tuck pocket for journaling card. I have a fun interactive element with specimen slides with dragonflies, and when you open all the dragonflies up, there's a fun little dragonfly print down here with the map. Very cool. So we have that to go in there. More of the side papers. Just a little pocket in that one. And this is a, what are those called? Transparencies. One of my old scrapbooking ones. Might be hard to see with the glare. It says, it's not the understanding of life that's important, but rather the believing in the wonder of it. So I thought that was very fun. I love the colors with it and the dragonflies. So I added that to it. Just some decoration. Another one of those small pockets. This is a big journaling card. Another one of those stamped papers. This was on like a craft paper that I stamped similar to the page. Little tag spot in there. And a side tag spot there. And it wraps around to have another spot. Another one of those little envelopes with, again, a place to stick something on top there. I could probably add one of my little tickets. Oh, I don't know why I thought it would go on that side. I must have a bigger one. Oh, there we go. Cute. I'll have the ticket. Where's the front of that? And it is right there. That one's a little small. I think you're a little too big. Like, well, you gotta find one right in the middle. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Bonus tickets and tag. I think I showed that. This one's an interesting pocket. There is a pocket. There's 4 pockets, but these also flip open. I have not put pockets in those. Little places to write some hidden stuff. Again, pocket in that one little, but then there is a big spot that you can write stuff in here and then be able to close her down, and just looks like there are 4 pockets there. Okay, that is the back of it. And this has a journaling spot with the flip out, or the side tuck that went in there. Some coffee dyed paper, the other side of that one that I stamped, the writing, and daffodils, dragonflies. All right, so there is the Dragonfly Journal. Just knot that back up again. All right, Dragonfly, very chunky monkey. All right, the last one that I have to offer up, I'll call it Patchwork. This is a just a collage, sort of like a masterboard of fabrics that were ironed onto a stiff, it's called Peltex. It's a stiff, like interfacing, and then it was sewn around on both sides. I did add corner things to it just to make sure that it was good. I do have some fun fibers. This is a rainbow insert, kind of before even I made my color journals of stuff, but it's got like all the colors in it. And it is not heavily added with ephemera. So there's lots of places to add your own touches. But it has lots of places to add stuff to it. So I have some spring papers in there, like a spring basket. So it goes in rainbow order-ish for these. And like I said, not everything is filled. There is some journal cards in here, and then this is a 3-pocket place to put things. This is a place to put pocket here, and these are hidden journaling spots in here. There's no, like I said, you can add whatever you want in there. Journaling card on this side, again, pocket there with the hidden spot. Floral. This is a side tuck place and does have the little journal card in there for the library card. So we go from pink to orange. This is a belly band. I don't have anything in the belly band. Add lots of space to have what you want. We go to orange, again with the same space tag, and I won't open them all up, but journaling spots, again, tag. We go to orange, and then we skip to yellow, so I do have a tag in there. And again, this one, some of them have tags, some of them don't. This one has 2 tags. There is a spot, like I said, for a 3rd place. Belly band. And again, side tuck with a library card. Some music, side tuck with library cards. So now we're in the greens, and we go to the blues. Library card, journal spot, tuck, journal spot, library card, and tuck space. And now we're to purples, belly band. That's beautiful. The flowers for the May. And got a card there. Spot for those, like usual. Center of the book. Teals and purples, so pretty. And then we go in reverse order from the purples back down to the reds. Side tucks with the flip outs. Got the blue belly band, again with the places to put things, and side tucks. Belly band in here, some music, some more writing spot. More of those, tons of places, just tons of places to be able to put things. Got a card there, another card there. Great place to write some stuff out. Library pocket. Another library pocket with that filled in. Got some journal, a piece of for journaling there. Pockets, pretty flowers, another place for a belly band, pink flowers, and we're back to reds. Side tuck, journal card, and pinks. Once again, for all those spots, and there we go. All right, so like I said, a rainbow of colors from reds, red, orange, yellow, green, purple, back blue, back down to the other colors. So just a rainbow of fun, just a fun journal. Fun ties with these wispy ribbons that go in here. Give a little bow. Cute. All right, well, that is it for these. They are listed in my Etsy. I am listing them for well below what I would normally sell a journal for. Just like I said, want to clear the shelves. So if you're interested in any of those, the links are below. And if you're interested in seeing further on how they were made, you definitely check out the playlist for start to finish journals, and you should be able to track them down. All right, so that is going to be it. Got patchwork, dragonfly, blue butterfly, and the alphabet one. All right, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.